Hey, this is Tammy Sue. Stuff will be met birth. Royce by identification code only. Last night I got this sandwich at the Subway, and I could have swore to you the man put down a clean piece of paper. But when it came out to me, this is what was on it. It's bloody marks. See it? Now, what is it about a tuna sandwich that is bloody? Can anyone tell me that? What is it about a tuna sandwich that is bloody? If they got a camera in that store down there, I'm sure they'll see me looking at it and then just deciding to go ahead and eat it so I don't get shot at while I'm in there. Cheerio. See, there we go, right here. Look at that. See that right there? That is dried fucking blood, man. Now you know why I dodge bullets. Now you know why people's trying to run over me with black trucks in Navarre. That man actually fucking tried to fucking run over me. I kid you not. He actually fucking tried to run over me in Navarre. I was sitting there on the fucking corner on my fucking suitcase, and the dude came and sit there for a minute. I didn't even see him. I was like all spaced out, like some sort of cult or something spaced me out. And then he swerved around. He like spun out on his fucking tires and swerved around and tried to fucking hit me with the fucking truck. And that was in Navarre. It was a black truck. I'm thinking it was a Chevy or something or other. But anyway, he thought he was all smart. Maybe he lives there or something. I don't know. But this lady offers me a ride to Navarre. So I took the ride, and well, I guess she set me up. I don't know. I have not a clue. But anyway. I am fucking dodging bullets, whether you like it or not. And this is why I dodge bullets. I gather evidence people don't want me to gather. I fucking go right in there where the horse's mouth is. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, here I am sitting here at this shell. This shell. And I'm uploading this video just to see whether or not that motherfucker comes back and tries to hit on my life again. And if I'll get another police transport out of the town. No, I'm not kidding. That was at the Subway down there. I think Donald Trump was here. I'm not sure. I think, yeah. I think Donald Trump was here yesterday. But anyway, that's when I got the Subway. It was yesterday. But I am craving a cigarette, so I'm going to smoke this cigar. But I just wanted to let y'all know that, yes, my life was made an attempt on down in Navarre. If you want to talk to the police officers down there, you can. I give you permission to go ahead and do that and see which ones gave me the transport. If they deny it, well, I'm sure there's a camera down there where that rest area is where they let me off at. What do you think? Anyway, this Tammy Sue stuff will be met birth. Voice by identification card only. Guard your skin out there, guys. Wow, tripped me out whenever when that truck fucking tried to run over me. It really did. Anyway, Robert, if you're watching, I love you. I gave you a call, but you wasn't there. Or maybe you was, I don't know. But they said you had left, already gone for the evening. But at least they said you worked there. So none of these bullshit guys up here that look like you isn't you. So catch y'all later. Bye-bye.